So the next question is about some group 1 elements and their compounds. A teacher adds a small piece of sodium to a trough of water. Give two observations that are made when sodium reacts with water. This is simple question. So obviously effervescence or bubbles are seen, and you can also say the sodium floats around the water. So you can just simply write floats around the water. There are many more other observations you can include. So part 2 of question A, 6A tells us after the reaction has stopped, the teacher adds a few drops of phenolphthalein to the solution in the trough. Explain the color of the phenolphthalein after it is added to the solution. So some phenolphthalein was added, and since it was reacted with water, we have OH minus ions present. So therefore the phenolphthalein turns pink. So the answer should be it turns pink as there are OH minus ions present. Okay. Part B1 tells us a student does a flame test to see if a white solid contains lithium ions. They clean a platinum wire before using it for the flame test. Explain why the student needs to clean the platinum wire. A simple question. So we usually clean the platinum wire so that no impurities are remaining on the platinum wire. And the second point should be therefore it does not sorry, my bad, interfere with the color of the flame. So part B2 said, what is the color of the flame if the solid contains lithium ions? So the answer should be red. Moving on to part C1, potassium aluminum sulfate can be used in baking. Anhydrous potassium aluminum sulfate has the formula KlSO4 2. Give the formula of each ion in potassium aluminum sulfate. So obviously potassium ion is Ka plus. Aluminum ion should be Al3 plus. And this one should be SO4 2 minus. Part 2 tells us potassium aluminum sulfate is normally found as a hydrated salt with the formula this. When 23.7 grams of the hydrated salt is heated to remove all the water, 12.9 grams of the anhydrous salt is formed. Calculate the value of X. So the mass of the hydrated salt is this one. And after the anhydrous salt is formed, we have this one. So we can just subtract 23.7 from 12.9 to find mass of water. That gives us 23.7 minus 12.9. So that gives us 10.8 grams. Now, if we were to find the moles of KlSO4 2, we can just simply, so this is the mole of the anhydrous salt. So we should use 12.9 divided by 258 gives us a value of 0.05 mole. For the next part, we will try to find the moles of water. That would be 10.8 divided by 18. That comes as 0.6 mole. So to find the value of x, we can just simply divide the moles of water from the moles of anhydrous salt. That would be 12. So your answer is 12.